Can we try it now? Carly, come here, look. Nigel's nose. Okay, let's try this. Open this. What's it? What is it? Look, 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 look. Look, look, look. Open it, open it. What is it? Take that out. Take it out. You're not going to get the paper out? He's like, I'm not seeing nothing in there. It's too much paper. Come here, look. Rookie. Carly, come here, look. Oh, look what it is. Look. Oh, it's not the paper. Look. They're going after the paper. No, look. Look. What is it? Can you get it out?
No puede.
No. He's trying. He's getting it. Look. Ah, he got it. What'd you get, baby? Oh. What is it? Let me see. What is it? Oh, wait. Look, let's see what it is. Let me see. Wait, look. What is it? Don't tear it. Come on, let's go look. Come here, look. There's more. Come here. Nigel, come on. Come on, Carly, look. There's more. Come here. Look, baby. Look. Oh, my goodness. Oh, look, baby. Look, there's more. Look. What do you see? What do you see? What is it, Mama? Come here, Nigel. There's more. She's got her head in the box. What you got?
You can't get it out.
No, we're not going to fight. What is it? What is it? Be nice. Be nice. Oh, my goodness, Carly. Did you get one? Did you get one? Let's see what you got.
You got something.
What is it, Mama? What is it? Let me see. Oh, it's an antler. Come here. There you go. Nigel, come on. Lever, come here. Look, baby, look. Who's that? Oh, look, who's that? Kermit? You like Kermit? Look, Nigel. What is it, baby? Where are you going? He takes off to the room. No, there's more. Look. Look, you got some good antlers. Look. Your daughter got her Christmas present.
They first came out with the dolls that...
Oh. Look.
What happened?
Their Christmas gift. They're opening it. Oh, you like that?
What they give Carl?
Antlers?
Christmas and there was a doll
Those are
that
thin,
came out, and she was about...
You got a variety, huh? Where you going, Mama? Oh, you're all excited, huh?
He would want to get up. And he would walk, but he would walk...
Look, Nigel got Kermit. He took off with an antler, too. Let's go see Nigel. He found an antler and took off. Oh, look at him. What you got there, baby? No, we're not going to fight, Carly. Go get the one you got. Yes, go get your antler. Go get your toy. Hurry. Hurry, go get it. Go get it. Oh, look at him. He's going to town with that antler. Oh, my goodness. Oh, thank you so much for our Christmas present. Oh, look at him. There's nothing better than a happy bully. Look. You got a baby? You got a new baby? Oh, thank you. Look at my baby. You like your antler? Yeah? You like your antler, baby? Oh, you're so cute. Look. You're going to like that.
She graduated already, but...
Thank you. We're going to sign off now and enjoy our new toys.
Get over here. You gotta learn.